Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I got my package in the mail. I'm super excited. I wanted to do my unboxing with you guys. So let's see what I got. So I'm super excited. Loving me hair. So it's time for me to change. I'm ready to take my braids out, of course. It's time. And I wanted to get me a unit, a closure unit from Luvme Me Hair. This will be my second unit, I believe. Second or third unit from them. So I'm super excited. This is definitely a different style from my other two units. So we're going to take this bow off. Just super cute. Open it up. The little paper says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme Me Hair. Okay. Which is cute. They didn't have this in the boxes when I ordered before. So that's something definitely different. Here is the unit. It comes with a little bag. I guess to keep the unit inside when I'm not using it. It comes with a $5 off gift card, which is super cute. Well, nice, because everybody loves a couple dollars off of whatever. Okay? $5 ain't much, but it's something. It comes with a head scarf, I believe. So this is probably like something to tie my edges down with. Yeah, a little scarf just for your edges. Lay them edges down. It comes with the Luvme Me. I didn't get this in my other box before either. They showing out. What is this? A mirror with Luvme Me on there. That is so cute. So when you out in public and you like, ooh, let me check these edges, girl. Check on these edges a little bit. Ooh, gotta get these edges. Yes. Check to make sure that lace ain't popping up. I love it. Coming a little slot. That is cute. Okay, Luvme Me, y'all. Coming with different stuff. Then it has the edge brush and with the little comb. Lay your little edges down with your little edge control or whatever. Then you can brush it out. Make them smooth and slick. Okay. I love this little pouch. This is so cute. It also comes with the cap. So you can have that bald cap look. And a little picture. Okay. Just give you the return, refund policy, how to care for your wig, how to use your wig, frequently asked questions and things of that nature. Which is super cute. Super cute. Okay. Super cute. So that was it in the box. What came in the box? Now let's get to this unit. Let's get to why we're here. Get the little net off. So one thing I like about, it could be a gift and a curse about Luvme Me hair is the hair is really soft, which is always a blessing. You don't want hard hair, but the fact that it is soft like that, the curls tend to usually fall faster. And I know because this is not my first wig. So I tend to see myself curling bejesus out of my wigs or whatever when I gotta keep one out. They did put a little curl to it. This is 16 inches. I didn't want it too long because I'm always wearing long hair. So I definitely wanted a little slight change. This time they actually curled the hair and the curls actually stayed this time because when I ordered the bob wig and it's supposed to came curled or something like that, By the time the wig got to me, the curls had failed and it was almost a straight wig. So this is exciting that the curls actually are still in it. Me pulling it out the box, which is a good thing. I do like their laced. I am going to bleach the knots. I got a 4x4 closure unit. Nothing full lace because it's too much maintenance. I don't have that type of time. I do love that it comes with the band. So this is considered glueless. So I don't have to put glue on this if I don't want to. But sometimes I do take my got-to-be glue, put a little bit on my edges, just kind of lay the little lace down the front to give it a more of a natural look. But I don't try to do nothing that's too, that is, you know, the glue because I don't want it to, maybe not want it to stay on that long. I might want to pull this off every, you know, couple days or so. So that's another thing. I do like the fact that it has combs in it, so that it actually stay in place. So that's also a blessing. And I also, like I say, the band, I really love the fact that it has a band, so it makes it glueless. I'm able to adjust the straps to make it tighter to my head. Yeah, so I'm just gonna bleach the knots, wear this. I plan on putting it on this weekend, so I'm super excited. Monday, fresh for work, gonna be slayed to the gods, okay? So I'll probably come back on and show you guys me putting this unit on and how it looks afterwards. Yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna put a little bit of got-to-be just to kind of lay this lace and make it look a little bit more natural. So I'm super excited. 16 inches. The price of this was like $1.99. They do have a 20% off discount code on their site. I have put the unit into my cart and I forgot about it. And they text me. It was like, hey, you left this in your cart. Here's 30%. Take the 30% and go get it out your cart. So yeah, I do mine on Afterpay. So I get 4 easy payments. So that's another good thing I like about the site. If you don't have all the money at once, you definitely can make 4 easy payments with Afterpay to get your unit. I definitely use Afterpay and I love it. I have the money to purchase wigs, but why not do it in 4 easy payments? The one thing about me is that I don't have to make the initial first payment when I purchase anything off any site. Shh. I'm a mint customer, so I'm meant to be able to get my stuff without making the first payment. So my first payment is always due 2 weeks later. So I don't make any payment whenever I purchase something through Afterpay at all. So I do love that. So I can't wait to come back here with you guys to put on this unit, see how cute it looks on me, and I'm super excited. So make sure y'all come back and stay tuned. Bye.